Here now with reaction, Fox News contributor Jessica Tarlov and Live Action founder Lila Rose. You're supporting this? Really? You're supporting 8 months, you can have an abortion when the child can survive on its own, viable? You don't see that as infanticide?
No, it's not infanticide. First of all, it's just New York State upholding what the Supreme Court already ruled. The law in New York State, which was codified in 19... Yes, it is actually true, means that a mother can be punished under the penal code if she does have a late-term abortion that's after 24 weeks. We know that only 1% of abortions occur after 20 weeks.
I don't want the percentages. The fact that it's legal now in New York. You're missing the point.
No,
this is now legal in New York. 7th, 8th, 9th month, if you can have
a medical professional deems
and
that
you can
the
tell
mother
anybody to say I'm emotionally
or that the fetus isn't viable. Do you not trust doctors?
Let me go to Lila. Lila, you get a doctor to say anything if they share your political view.
I mean, an abortionist can make up to $10,000 on these abortions. So these are not really doctors. These are people ending the lives of children in the womb. But listen, there's no medical reason to kill a child in the womb. There's no medical justification for it. These are babies that are old enough to survive outside the womb. Just let them be delivered alive. In every late-term abortion, you have to induce delivery. You have to induce labor and delivery. Why not just let these babies be delivered alive? New York is now saying we can provide the death penalty ultimately for children in the womb, even old enough to survive outside the womb. This is something that's sick coming from a state that makes the death penalty illegal for convicted murderers, but now lethal injections can be given to little children.
That's not the way that I read it, and it's not the way that supporters of the law are reading it.
That's what the law says. You can have an abortion through all 9 months for any life or health reason that the doctor, the abortionist deems necessary.
This is such a fallacy of the right wing. Abortion on demand is a made-up campaign slogan to get people scared about something that is actually having to do with health care and a woman's right as per the Supreme Court.
Abortions up through 9 months, not abortion on demand?
Let Lila talk. Go ahead, one at a time.
How is having abortions through all 9 months, which is what New York just celebrated and just made into law, how is that not abortion on demand, Jessica?
It's because there has to be good cause for it. A medical professional has to deem it appropriate. And if you think that a medical professional is going to risk their license so that a woman can just wake up one day and say, oh, you know what, I don't feel like it anymore,
Lila, how hard would it be to get somebody that shares that?
The reality is there is no medical justification for abortion. Medical doctors have agreed. There's over 1,000 of them who signed the Dublin Declaration who said that there's no reason to directly kill a child in the womb for the sake of a woman's life. It's a fallacy. Look it up. And these children are humans. They deserve our protection just like these women.
Yeah, well, I hope that no one who's watching this program is about to tweet at me, supports the death penalty. And I would say also that you have
when we come back, our villain of the day, and we'll read your comments.